What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at the Kiddie fire escape ladder. This is the 3-story configuration, which is 25 feet. This is also offered in a 2-story configuration, which is 13 feet. The 2-story configuration is $40 and the 3-story configuration is $50. So inside the box we have the fire escape ladder, and these are the hooks that hook to the inside of the house, and the aluminum rungs on the bottom to climb down the ladder. And these aluminum rungs are lightweight because it is aluminum, which is a lightweight metal, and they also do have grooves so that you have some traction while you're climbing down the ladder. Let's go ahead and try to set this up. So I have my fire ladder here right in front of the window, ready to go. Most of these windows you can open on up, and there'll be 2 little tabs. Squeeze those in, and the window will drop down, and you can remove the window screen. If it is an emergency, you can just punch out the window screen. Open up your window. And you'll notice on the fire ladder here, the white side goes inside the home and then the red side goes outside the window. So we simply just grab the ladder, place it out the window, and you'll notice the fire ladder suspends from the window like so. Here it is outside, and once you're ready to go, you simply just pull up on this here, and that will deploy the aluminum steps. All right, so here is the fire ladder. Let's go ahead and give it a try. One thing I do want to note is over the window, this is kind of far down, so for an adult, it's already a little hard to reach the deploy mechanism here. So for a child, it will be much harder. So we simply grab the Velcro here, and we're going to pull. And there you can see the fire ladder has been deployed. Again, we have these aluminum rungs so that you do have some traction on your way down. This is a one-time use, so for 50 bucks you might want to get an extra for peace of mind, just to test it out, show your kids, loved ones how to use this. But that is a quick look. So that is a quick look at the Kiddie fire escape ladder. I think for 50 bucks it's a nice peace of mind to have in your home. Let me know what you guys think on your opinions. Leave them down below. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. So also, I can't recommend you guys to repackage these, but because of the nylon rope and aluminum, they probably just don't withhold using these multiple times. But if you were to need to repackage them, you could simply just put it back together like so. Obviously, you want to fold the rope a little better, but you know, if you don't do it properly, there's a chance that it could fail when you need it. Most importantly, the ropes and aluminum might not hold up as well.